Hello students, welcome back to my channel. So today we will continue our future indefinite tense. In our previous video, we complete our present all tenses and past tenses. So now it's time to complete future tense. In future indefinite tense, there are three structures: in affirmative, in negative, and in interrogative. And there is two types, A and B section. So when we will think about future tense, we know that in our mind will or shall will be rises, right? Subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object, right? And one thing is that now it's not mandatory. In our previous days, we can say that I, we, you, they, we, you shall, and with he, she, it, use will. But nowadays, it is not mandatory that you will use with I, we, you, they shall, and he, she, it will. You can use will with all the sentences. There is no use of shall from these structures because it is removed for modern tenses. Modern translation shall will be removed. So, in negative sentences, subject plus will not, will or shall not, plus verb plus object. And interrogative sentences, will or shall will be first, then subject, then verb plus object. Question mark. And interrogative, WH words, then will shall plus subject plus verb plus object. Right. So these are the structure of future indefinite tense, and it is not mandatory to use shall. You can use everywhere will if you want, and if you don't want, then you can use shall also with I, we, you, they. Right. So first the screenshot of that part, then we will move on. Examples. मैं कल स्कूल जाऊंगा. Subject is I will go to school tomorrow. Full stop. मैं कल स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगा. I will not go to school tomorrow. क्या मैं कल स्कूल जाऊंगा? Will I go to school tomorrow? Question mark. वह तुम्हारी मदद करेगी. It means there is a girl. She help. She will help you. वह तुम्हारी मदद नहीं करेगी. She will not help you. क्या वह तुम्हारी हेल्प करेगी? Will she help you? Question mark. हम शाम को क्रिकेट खेलेंगे. हम we will play cricket in the evening. Full stop. हम शाम को क्रिकेट नहीं खेलेंगे. We will not play cricket in the evening. क्या हम शाम को क्रिकेट खेलेंगे? Will we play cricket in the evening? Question. One thing is that I use with I will, but you can use shall also. With we shall play cricket in the evening. Is it also right? But I write we will play cricket in the evening because of the modernization of translation. So that's why I just use will with every word, every subject, right? So, and if you write everywhere will, this is no one can false your statement. So, screenshot of that part. Next is वे जल्द ही यहाँ आएंगे. वे it means they will come here very soon. वो जल्द ही यहाँ नहीं आएंगे. They will not come here very soon. Full stop. क्या वो जल्द ही यहाँ आएंगे? Will they come here very soon? Full stop. वह अगले महीने एक नई कार खरीदेगा. He will buy a new car next month. वह अगले महीने एक नई कार नहीं खरीदेगा. He will not buy a new car next month. Full stop. क्या वह अगले महीने एक नई कार खरीदेगा? Will he buy a new car next month? Question mark. तुम्हें अच्छे अंक मिलेंगे. तुम्हें you will get a good marks. You will get a good marks. Full stop. तुम्हें अच्छे अंक नहीं मिलेंगे. You will not get a good marks. Full stop. क्या तुम्हें अच्छे अंक मिलेंगे? Will you get a good marks? Even you can use here the also in place of a. Question mark. So these are the examples of future indefinite tense. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूंगा. I will call you later. Full stop. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल नहीं करूंगा. I will not call you later. क्या मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूंगा? Will I call you later? Question mark. शिक्षक हमें नया अध्याय पढ़ाएंगे. Teacher will teach us a new lesson. शिक्षक हमें नया पाठ नहीं पढ़ाएंगे. Teacher will not teach us a new lesson. Why I write here a? Because a new lesson is one. That's why I write a. क्या टीचर हमें नया अध्याय पढ़ाएंगे? Will teacher teach us a new lesson? Question mark. हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली घूमने जाएंगे. हम we will go or visit Delhi next week. हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली घूमने नहीं जाएंगे. We will not visit Delhi next week. क्या हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली जाएंगे? Will we visit Delhi next week? Question mark. So these are the example, and there is last example of future indefinite tense. So firstly, screenshot of that part. कल बारिश होगी. So there is no subject is here. So we will write here it will rain tomorrow. कल बारिश नहीं होगी. It will not rain tomorrow. क्या कल बारिश होगी? Will it rain tomorrow? So this is his question word. Question mark. So I think future indefinite is very easy because there is no you have to write is something else because first thing is you have not write will or shall. There is no confusion in will or shall because you have to write only will if you want. And the other thing is there is only verb first form. So what you just read the sentence and then write it the verb and then object. So there is no I think complexity in future indefinite tense. Even it is so much short also to make the sentences. So our future indefinite tense is completed right now. So now we move on future continuous tense. And we all know about it that in continuous tense there is ing form. So subject will shall. Then if I will just give it to you the structure of this, then I know that you will write the subject plus will shall plus verb ing form plus object, but no, there will be be, then verb ing form, then object, right? In negative sentences, subject, then will not be, shall not be, plus verb ing form plus object. And in interrogative form, there is one will plus will or shall plus subject plus be plus verb ing form plus object. Question mark. And in the B section, there is WH words, then will shall, then subject, then be, then verb ing form, then object. Actually, this is the structure and this then only. Here you can write WH word like what, who, how, etc. So this is the structure of future continuous tense, and I just write here all the examples after that, and then only future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense are left. Then our tense will be completed. So now first the screenshot of that part, then we will move on the examples to complete the tenses. मैं कल शाम एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूँगा. I will be reading ing form, reading a book at evening. Full stop. मैं कल एक किताब नहीं पढ़ रहा हूँगा. I will not be reading a book at evening. Full stop. क्या मैं कल रात एक किताब पढ़ रहा हूँगा? Will I be reading a book at evening? Question mark. Next is वह उस समय खाना पका रही होगी. What is the meaning of उस समय? At that time. वह, it means she will be cooking food at that time. Full stop. वह उस समय खाना नहीं पका रही होगी. She will not be cooking food at that time. Full stop. क्या वह उस समय खाना पका रही होगी? Will she be cooking food at that time? Question mark. हम पार्क में क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे. It means we will be playing cricket in the park. Full stop. हम पार्क में क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहे होंगे. We will not be. We will not be playing cricket in the park. क्या हम पार्क में क्रिकेट खेल रहे होंगे? Will we playing cricket? We will be playing cricket in the park? Question mark. So these are the examples of future continuous tense. Write it down on your notebook. वे आज रात फिल्म देख रहे होंगे. They will watch. They will be watching a movie today night. वे आज रात फिल्म नहीं देख रहे होंगे. They will not be watching a movie today night. Full stop. क्या वे आज रात फिल्म देख रहे होंगे? Will they be watching a movie today night? Question mark. जब तुम उसे फोन करोगे वो सो रहा होगा. He will be sleeping when you call him. Full stop. जब तुम उसे फोन करोगे वो नहीं सो रहा होगा. He will not be sleeping when you call him. Full stop. क्या जब तुम उसे फोन कर रहे होगे वो सो रहा होगा? Will he be sleeping when you call him? Question mark. Sixth is तुम परीक्षा में निबंध लिख रहे होगे. तुम it means you will be writing a letter in the essay, in the exam or we can say that examination. तुम परीक्षा में निबंध नहीं लिख रहे होगे. You will not be writing a letter in the exam. क्या तुम परीक्षा में निबंध लिख रहे होगे? Will you be writing a letter in the evening? And one thing is that after narration we will move on. After tense we will move on narration. And narration there is a lot of things which is used for as a tense. So when you know all the tenses, then you can easily solve all the narration questions. So just revision all the statements and the structure, because I'm just giving you 10 examples every day in every sentence, in every tense. So what will be happen is that you will practice more, then you will learn more, you memorize more, and just after when you just we will move on narration, then try to just in one day you can revision all the tenses that just see all the tenses in copy, right? That's why I just said to you that not only screenshot of that part but also write down on your notebook also, so it will helpful for you in narration, in active passive voice, and in transformation, syntax, and the other things. In whole grammar, tense is very important. That's why I just teach to you tense first. Then I teach all the things at all. So screenshot of that part or make the notes also. Don't forget to write in your notebook. विद्यार्थी पुस्तकालय में पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे. The students will be studying in the library. विद्यार्थी पुस्तकालय में पढ़ाई नहीं कर रहे होंगे. The students will not be studying in the library. Full stop. क्या विद्यार्थी पुस्तकालय में पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे? Will students or will the students be studying in the library? Question mark. हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली की यात्रा कर रहे होंगे. अगले हफ्ते it means next week. We will visit or travel. We will be traveling Delhi next week. Next week. Full stop. हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली की यात्रा नहीं कर रहे होंगे. We will not traveling Delhi next week. Question. क्या हम अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली की यात्रा कर रहे होंगे? Will we traveling? Sorry, I forgot B. Will be traveling Delhi next week? Question mark, and there is no question mark is here. वह मंच पर नृत्य कर रही होगी. नृत्य means dance. She will be dancing on the stage. मंच it means stage. वह मंच पर नृत्य नहीं कर रही होगी. She will not be dancing on the stage. क्या वह मंच पर नृत्य कर रही होगी? Will she dancing? Will she be dancing on the stage? On is also a preposition which is used when something is upper than, like we can say that there is a table and this what is this marker. We can say that there is a table and I put it on the table. शाम को बारिश हो रही होगी. It will be raining. It will be raining in the evening. शाम को बारिश नहीं हो रही होगी. It will not be raining in the evening. क्या शाम को बारिश हो रही होगी? Will it be raining, raining in the evening, question mark, right? So these are the examples of future continuous tense. So now our two last tense like future perfect tense and future perfect continuous tense. So I tried my best to teach to you with all the concepts, all the structures are there. So if you understand all the topic which I teach today, so hit the bell icon for more videos and like my videos, subscribe my channel and share the videos with all the students who are in your group. Thank you so much.